Namaste friends, this is Nisha here and today we do adding and subtracting rational expressions. So don't worry, here just we apply property of fractions. If same denominator, so you can add numerator or you can subtract. If your subtraction sign, so here also subtract. Okay, so let's do this question. Here this is 3 upon x minus 1 and here x upon x plus 2. So here different denominator, right? So for adding or subtracting, here compulsory is we have to make same denominator. So here for making same denominator, here multiply with x plus 2. X plus 2 x plus 2. In numerator and denominator we have to multiply x plus 2, this one. And in this fraction we have to multiply this x minus 1. X minus 1 multiply in numerator and denominator. Okay, so here we can use distributive property here. 3 multiply x 3x and 3 multiply 2 6. Now write x minus 1 and x plus 2 as it is. Here again use distributive property in the numerator. So x multiply with x square minus x multiply with 1 x. And here x plus 2 and x minus 1. So we can see here easily denominator is same. So yes, now we can easily add numerator x minus 1 x plus 2 in the denominator, and here we can easily add numerator. Okay, now we can write here x minus 1 x plus 2, and here we can rearrange and combine like terms. So we can write highest power x square and 3x, and this minus x are like terms, so we can combine 3x minus x 2x. Just you can imagine 3 minus 1, which is 2, and plus 6, and this is the answer. Okay, here first we factorize x square minus 1. So 1, it means we can write 1 square, so it looks like difference of squares. So we can apply here difference of squares formula, x minus 1 x plus 1. Okay, here 2 x plus 1 square, so can we write x plus 1 x plus 1? Okay, or we can write no need, we can just write square. So here 1 x plus 1, but here 2, and here this x minus 1. So when we find out here least common denominator, so which is x minus 1 x plus 1 is square, because we take always larger one. So here least common denominator is x minus 1 and x plus 1 square. So here need one more x plus 1. So here multiply in numerator and denominator with x plus 1. Okay. So x minus 1, x plus 1, and here 1. Okay. So here multiply with x plus 1, x plus 1. Now minus 2. Here x plus 1 whole square, we need x minus 1. So here multiply with x minus 1. Okay. X minus 1. So here x minus 1 and x plus 1 whole square, now same denominator, so we can easily subtract numerator. But before subtract numerator, we can apply here distributive property. So 1 times this, no change, to x plus 1, now minus. Okay, so here use distributive property, 2x 2x minus 2 times 1, 2. Okay. Now x minus 1, x plus 1 whole square. Okay. Now open parenthesis, here negative. So negative multiply with this parenthesis, so all sign will be changed. 2x was positive, now negative. 2 was negative, now positive. And now we can combine like terms. So x minus 1, x plus 1 whole square. Okay, here x and minus 2x are like terms, so we can combine 1 minus 2 minus 1, so minus x, and 1 plus 2, which is 3. But usually we don't write negative in front of, so we can write 3 minus x upon x minus 1, x plus 1 whole square, and that's it. Okay, if you have any doubt, please ask me. You can email me. If you liked my video, so please like, share and subscribe my channel. Bye. Have a nice time.